from the Arden and Daddy. Today we're doing a slime challenge today.
Awesome. Sounds fun.
Okay, guys, you have a little bit of clear glue already in your bowl.
Okay.
Let's start with round one.
Okay.
Arden, which color do you want?
Yellow,
Blue.
blue, or green?
Blue.
Blue.
And what color do you want, Daddy?
I think I'll go with yellow.
Oh!
Oh. Show it so they can see it.
Wow!
This is number one. Oh, that's pretty cool. You got red sparkle? I got metallic blue. What did you get? Show them. Show them. It's glitter glue, and I don't know, it's like an orangish reddish. It's really cool. You want me to open it?
No, yeah, open it.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay.
Don't do it yet.
No, I'm not. I'll let you do it.
Why isn't it going out? Oh. Wow.
Whoa, look at mine, Arden.
Wow.
Oh, I like yours too.
Wow. Mine is pretty cool.
Want me to help you?
Yours.
I'll squish yours out.
Mine is probably cooler than yours.
Yeah, yours is harder than mine.
It's like a pig sound.
Yep, oink, oink.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. What? What?
So hard to get it out.
Yeah, it's so hard to get.
I think I'm going to put my lid on and hold it upside down for a minute. I'll help you get yours.
I'm getting it.
Oh, you're getting it?
Okay. Okay, now what number?
Round two.
No.
You want
Number
yellow,
two.
blue, or green?
Yellow, blue, or green?
I'm gonna have yellow.
You want yellow?
Yeah.
Feels empty.
It was empty.
I'm going to do green this time.
No, it's not empty.
Oh, mine's not empty either. Give me that.
It wasn't empty.
I got silver.
I got
Ooh, mine's
got
gonna be
gold.
silver. Ooh, yours is already gold too. This is working out perfect.
Mine is so cool.
Ooh, wow, that is awesome. Look at that. That's awesome.
Can I stir it up?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, it's turning out really good. Wow, my slime is really cool.
Yes, it is. I like it a lot. Oh my goodness, mine is really cool
I
too.
think it's making brown, like reddish brown. Reddish brown, I think. Okay, there's trash for me.
I got it. I got trash over here. Thank you, sir.
Good job, Arden.
Okay.
This is so awesome.
Yeah.
Man,
Look at my slime.
you're gonna have some awesome slime.
Yeah, look at my
I'm
slime.
gonna help you get some of that gold in there.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's so cool, Arden.
Yeah,
That is
I
gonna
like
be
my
so
slime. Okay.
cool. Okay,
Okay. So now it's time for three.
number 3.
Can I have yellow, blue,
Yellow?
or green?
Yep, which one?
Green.
Green.
What is in here?
I'm gonna do blue.
Oh, googly eyes.
Oh, you got the googly eyes. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, that is
This
cool.
googly eyes. I'm gonna steal the googly eyes. Whoa, googly eyes.
What'd you get, Daddy?
I got really cool stuff. I got
I
letters.
want those.
I got letters.
I want those.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We got cool googly eyes.
Yeah, you got googly eyes.
Yeah. Red, blue, green, pink, green, yellow, a lot of ones. This one is yellow, green.
Mine is really cool.
Mine is really cool too.
I like it.
Mine is really
Maybe
cool
we can
too.
leave these in here. Can we?
That shine was pretty
Yeah.
cool.
I'm just leaving mine. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Now we want to do number 4?
Yeah.
What color do you want?
Yellow.
Yellow? Oh, I was going to pick yellow.
But I got yellow.
Alright, what did I pick last time? Blue? I'll pick green.
Look what I got!
No way! You got foam balls. Use your stick, yeah. Yeah, use your stick. What did I
Wow.
get? I got... Oh, I got more silver glitter.
I wanted those like steely, like jewelry things.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I
I
wish
did
we-
it to you again.
I wish we could do another slime challenge.
Well, we have enough stuff to do
A lot
one
of slime
more
challenge.
thing.
Okay. Oh, mine looks
Did you
so
stir
cool.
it again? This is so fun.
Mine looks so
Oh
cool.
my gosh, this is so fun.
Mine is so
Look
cool.
at those eyeballs. That's
Yeah.
cool. Good job.
You got one last round.
Okay.
One last round.
Now, green, blue, or yellow?
Can I have green?
Green.
I'm gonna pick green.
I think I'll take yellow
There's
this
something
time.
in here.
Oh, no way.
I got shaving cream.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Shaving cream.
I got lemon lime burst. It's gonna smell like lemon lime. Would you like me to help?
I can't. Yeah. Shaving cream.
How much, Mommy?
Whatever you think.
Tell me when.
Okay.
Done.
That
Mine?
is cool. Oh my gosh. I'll hold your bowl and you can stir it really good.
Mine is looking terrible.
No, it's not. It looks like it's gonna be so much fun.
It looks like it's gonna be terrible. It's white. I didn't want shaving cream.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Can I put some
5,
drop in mine?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can I put some lemon drops in mine?
Do you care if he does? Yep, you sure can. I'll stir it while you do that.
What? How do I do it?
Just squeeze it.
1, 2, 3, 4. I have only 4.
Okay.
That's
Do you
good.
want
Oh,
four?
it smells so good.
It does smell good, huh?
Let me stir it.
Yes, please. Or here, let me do it real quick. Get all this.
Mine
Off the
is
bottom.
looking so cool. It's like a swirly white foamy slime.
It is really cool. This is gonna be awesome.
Swirly white foamy slime.
This looks like a creamsicle. Here, let me put that
Yeah.
stuff in there.
Can I do a last round?
That is the last round. You got your activator cup over here.
Can I do it?
Of course.
Activate the cup?
Of course.
Okay. I can put the activator in yours now.
Oh, I shouldn't have put 10 drops.
Just put a little bit at a time, Arden.
Okay, let me stir it.
Look.
Stir it up really good.
You're gonna need a lot more than that, Arden. Put like half of it in, Arden.
Half of it.
Yeah. Yep, that's yours.
Come on. Okay.
There
That
you
looks
go.
like enough. I'm gonna stir it. Mine is looking so cool. Whoa! It's even slime. Mine isn't even slime.
Yeah, it is. It's foam slime. Oh, dude, yours looks so cool.
Oh, yeah, it pretty does.
Yeah, it pretty does.
Stir it. Stir it all.
Phew, it smells like lemon lime in here, that's for sure.
Mine is so sticky.
Yeah.
It's like sticking to my hands. Look at yours is sticking. You can't even see your hands.
Yeah. Can we put Daddy's in mine? Mine or Daddy's?
You gotta keep mixing it up first. Then you can.
Oh, mix them together? Ooh, that would
I'm
be
gonna do it
scary.
with the stick. I'm gonna do it with the stick.
Oh, okay.
Ah. Get off my hands.
Stick your hands down in the activator.
Wait, why?
Because it makes them not sticky anymore.
Ah! It's sticky to the. Thank you. Blue. Did it at the last
See,
challenge.
Daddy's? It's got these swirlies in it.
It's pretty sticky.
And letters. There's letters in it.
Can I have one letter?
Yeah, you can have a letter.
Can I have like some letters to spell something? But I put 2 letters in.
Mm-hmm.
From yours and mine. Wow, mine looks terrifying.
Terrifying.
Huh?
Ooh.
That sound is really terrifying.
How does it feel?
Mine feels like.
Is it foamy?
It feels like
Yeah, his feels foamy.
it feels weird. It feels like sticky glue. It feels like sticky glue slime.
Sticky glue slime.
Yeah. Let me give yours.
His feels really
Whoa,
cool.
yours feels really cool.
Yeah, yours does too. Look at the eyeball looking at you.
Whoa, it's so spinny.
Oh, am I putting mine in yours and yours in mine now?
Yeah. Mix them together.
How about we do a little bit of each one? A little bit of that one? A little bit of that one?
Can I do all of it?
Well, I don't know. Let's see what it looks like first. Oh my gosh, this is interesting.
It's turning so blue.
Well, it's because you wrapped the blue over the... Want me to try?
It's so blue, yeah.
Okay, I'll try.
It's probably gonna make purple.
You think? Here, I'll try
Yeah.
a little bit. Whoops.
It's pink and blue.
I
What
don't
is
know if it mixes so well.
what does pink and blue make?
You
Take a
were right.
guess.
Purple.
Purple.
Oh, it does.
Ooh, that looks really cool, actually.
Wow! Can I put all of it in?
Yeah, why not?
I'm putting
Yeah.
all of it in.
Okay.
Okay, it's mixed together. I thought it was gonna make really cool slime.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, we can wrap it in a baggie
Wrap it in a
for
bag.
later.
That's right. Sounds fun.
Oh,
Okay,
wow!
let me get a video of this.
This is so cool.
It's really neat.
Yeah,
It feels a lot, like, smoother now.
yeah, I think.
Feels like you could make bubbles with it.
Yeah, but you can't. It's too thick.
No, I don't think so now.
Make a bubble.
Good.
So this is your final slime?
Yep.
Hold it up here, let's see it.
And it has eyeballs and little foamy balls in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we mixed all the slime together. It's really cool. Oh, see, we mixed it all together.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Arden's Adventure. Bye! Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Bye!